people were found dead in a shocking incident in Srirampura village under Bod police station limits in Ajmer district. The incident took place between 4 to 5 am in the morning. The deceased have been identified as Ram Singh Chaudhary, a farmer, and his 79 years old mother, his wife Suran, and his 30-year-old cousin sister. Suran was also a former district council member. Police said the bodies were found near their home. They were discovered around 500 meters away on a road. The bodies were inside a burnt car that had fallen off the road. 3 of the bodies were badly burned. One body showed signs of injury along with burn marks. The condition of the bodies made the case highly suspicious. Local residents alert the police after noticing smoke and a damaged vehicle. Soon after police teams reached the spot, senior officers also arrived for investigation. The forensic team was called to collect evidence. The area was sealed immediately. The car and surrounding site were examined carefully. Preliminary investigation has not confirmed the exact cause of the incident. Police are considering multiple angles. These include a possible road accident, a short circuit, or a planned murder. However, officials said the circumstance suggests suspicion. The location of the bodies and the condition of the car have raised serious questions. Police have started questioning relatives and local residents. They are trying to understand the sequence of events leading up to the incident. Sources said the family had no known major disputes in the village. Still, investigators are not ruling the personal or property-related conflicts. The bodies were sent for postmortem examination. The report is expected to give more clarity on the cause of death. Senior police officials said the investigation is in its early stage. They assured that all possible angles are being examined carefully. Harshavardhan Agarwal, Superintendent of Police Ajmer, said a detailed probe is underway. He added that evidence is being collected from the scene and nearby areas. He also said that statements of family members and witnesses will be recorded. CCTV footage from nearby roads is also being checked. Police have increased security in the area to avoid any disturbance. The village remains tense after the incident. Locals expressed shock of the deaths. Many said the incident is disturbing a difficult of belief. The case has created fear and confusion in the region. Residents are demanding a fair and quick investigation. Officials said they will not rule out any possibility until the investigation is complete. The final cause of the incident will be known only after forensic and postmortem reports. For now, the mystery continues in Srirampura village as investigators work to uncover the truth behind the deaths of 4 family members.
इसमें हमें जानकारी मिली सुबह की किसी व्यक्ति ने जो यहाँ से गुजर रहा था उसने सूचना दी कि यहाँ पे कुछ कार जल रही है, तो तुरंत मौके पे जाब्ता भेजा गया। तो कार जली हुई थी जिसके अंदर से 3 बॉडी अंदर और 1 बॉडी बाहर मिली, जिनको बाद में देखा गया तो चारों मृत हो चुके हैं और चारों की बॉडी हटवा ली गई है। मौके पर FSL टीम को बुलाया गया है जो जाँच कर रही है। इसके अलावा श्याम एसपी साहब, एडिशनल साहब भी मौके पर आए हैं, मौका भी दिया।
सर, प्रथम दृष्टया क्या माना जा रहा है? क्या माना जा रहा है?
अभी कुछ ऐसा कह नहीं सकता। वो जो चोटें हैं वो उसके कई कारण हो सकते हैं, किसी अन्य द्वारा भी किया जा सकता है या निकलने की कोशिश में भी वो हो सकता है कि लगी हो। तो अभी जांच जारी है, अनुसंधान जारी है, पता चलेगा वैसे।
Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.